In this question, we are going to calculate. Okay, it has given PQR. The values of PQR is given in sign magnitude form, 1's complement form, and 2's complement form. We are going to calculate sum of those three PQR in 2's complement form, that too with 6 bits notation. Okay, so first, the given number is 1100. 1100. So in sign magnitude representation, always we know that the MSB indicates sign and others are indicating the magnitude. So in sign magnitude representation, MSB represents sign bit and other bits represent magnitude, and 1 represents negative value, 0 represents positive. Since the MSB is 1, the value is negative, and 100 is corresponding to 4 in decimal. So sign magnitude version of 110 is -4. Next, again 1100. What is its value in 1's complement? In 1's complement representation, okay, 1's complement representation, if the MSB is 1, okay, in 1's complement or in sign magnitude complement or in 2's complement, if the MSB bit is 1, that represents negative number. It represents negative number. But how the magnitude is calculated is different in case of 2's complement, in case of 1's complement, in case of sign magnitude. If the MSB is 1, all are negative numbers. If the MSB is 1 for a given sign bit number, so if the MSB is 1, that is definitely a negative number. But what is its magnitude? Calculation of magnitude is different in sign magnitude, different in 1's complement, different in 2's complement. So in 1's complement, we observed the MSB is 1, so it is negative. Next, to calculate magnitude, take 1's complement of entire number. Take 1's complement of entire number. So what it will be, the entire number? So entire number will become 0, 0, 1, 1 after 1's complement, and its value is 3. So the magnitude is 3. So 110 is simply -3. So -3 in 1's complement representation with 4 bits is represented as 1100. Similarly, 1100 in 2's complement method. In 2's complement method, whether it is 1's or 2's or sign magnitude, okay, if MSB is 1, which always indicates it's a negative number, so put a minus sign. To calculate magnitude, take 2's complement of entire bits. Take 2's complement of entire bits. 2's complement means first take 1's complement and add 1 at the LSB bit. So 1, 1, 0, carry 1, next 0, 1. So this is 0, 1, 0, 0, which is 4. So you can write it as -4. So this will be equal to P and it is Q, this is R. Next, P plus Q plus R. P plus Q plus R. That means -4, -3, -4. 4, 4, 8 plus 3, 11. So this is equal to -11. And you must represent in 2's complement form. If you want to represent 2's complement form, first you have to write its positive form, then take 2's complement. Okay, so first represent +1. To represent +1, okay, minimum of 5 bits required. Minimum of 5 bits required. Normally, you know that one 11 indicates. 11 is 1011. This is unsigned. If it is unsigned representation, only 4 bits required. That means with the help of 4 digits now. For unsigned, it requires 4 bits. 4 bits means 16 combinations. Out of 16 combinations, all are used for positive numbers only. Now, let us assume you are going with only 4 bits, so 16 combinations, but you are used for the signed as well as unsigned. So, you must accommodate those 16 combinations. Because you are using only 4 bits, definitely there will be only 16 possible combinations. And you must allocate some of them for positive numbers, some of them for the negative numbers. So, assume that one. So if you are going for the signed magnitude, then you must apply it for the some positive numbers as well as some negative numbers. So make it as half and half. So at most you can go with, okay, in case of positive numbers you can go with -8. In case of positive numbers you can go with +7. In case of negative numbers you can go with -8, because there will be 0 also. That 0 will be treated under positive. So 0 to 7, 8 combinations of positive numbers, -1 to -8, 8 combinations of negative numbers. So you cannot represent 11 with 4 bits in sign magnitude in 2's complement. You cannot represent 11 in 2's complement form with 4 bits. So definitely it requires 5 bits minimum. But here we must represent in 6 bits. So how you are going to represent it in 6 bits? Simply first write the 11 in normal form 1011. Okay. To make it as 6 bits, add 2 zeros at the LHS side. So the value is not changed. Now this is +11. If you want to make it as -11, then take 2's complement of it. 2's complement means 1's complement. 2's complement means 1's complement plus 1. So add 1 at the LSB. So the right answer is 110101. So this is right answer of representation of P plus Q plus R in 2's complement form with 6-bit notation. 110101. 110101. So the right option is B. Thank you.